So this will work with just about any car, but today we're working on my BMW E36. The windows, the guide rail on the window, it will not go up all the way, and it's fallen off the tracks, and the window will only go up slightly, as you can see here. In order to fix this is how we're going to go about this problem, which is very, very simple. So what usually happens with this is that over time, the guides on your window usually get misaligned over time just from constant use and whatnot, and just from the elements, just being out in the elements, especially if you have window trim that is damaged and you're getting water down in there and whatnot, and it's just pretty much messing the window up. These clips usually get damaged too from it being cold or from it being hot. They usually crack and fall out, which is what holds your guide rail in the in place. So what you're going to want to do is take out the guide housing itself, and you're going to want to take some grease like this or something to lubricate it with, and just rub that grease in there, get it in there nice and good so that the guide pieces can actually slide really nice and smooth back and forth. Alright, so once you put the guide back on, you want to make sure that it has the adhesive stuff so that it can stick to the window, and you're going to want to push it and make sure it's really up there and on that window so it doesn't fall off once the rail itself starts moving back and forth along the guides. After that, you're going to want to take something and kind of wedge it into the guide rail so you can push the little clips in. These little clips are what go on to the guide arms themselves to hold the guide arm in place, because if this pops out, you're going to get the same problem again. That's pretty much it. Your window should be able to roll down really nice and come back up really nice and smooth just like this.